Okay, welcome. I'm going to show you today just a little bit about how to use Teams up here. Okay, Microsoft Teams is going to be rolled out across computing at Hazelwood even when we get back from the lockdown. So the idea is that it will replace any books. It will allow for handing in homework and making everything a lot easier for teachers' feedback to you as well. So your work this week, I've already said it on Sims and I've sent you an email, but I thought I'll just put a video together just in case you've been having any problems. And I just want to talk you through the assignment. So we're going to go and have a look at the website now. Okay, so you're going to go on to Hazelwood.com, click on ICT Access, click on Webmail, okay, and that'll bring you back up to the options. Normally you go straight onto Outlook, but what you can do here is that you can click on Teams, okay, click on Teams and it will bring you up into here. I need you to check that you are part of the right class, okay, before you proceed. If you're not, please drop me an email, and in which case you'll only see one or two classes up here depending on what teachers have set up for you. I'm going to be using a test class just because there's no personal data on there, but it'll be the same principle if you clicked on here. So I'm going to click on test class, and you clicking on here, you'll see a general chat page on here so you can ask questions. Don't use this at the moment because your teachers won't be monitoring it, but you've got at the top, you've got files. There's nothing there at the moment, but we can use that to be able to upload files and help sheets as well for you. And the main important things is assignments. Okay, so if you look on here, if you click on assignments, you'll see that it says using Microsoft Teams. Okay, it says due tomorrow. Yours will say due on Friday. Okay, and instructions. So it says for this week's work, we'd like you to try out using Microsoft Teams. This is a fantastic way to work and will allow your computing teachers to give feedback. We'll be moving across to MS Teams as classwork for future lessons, so it's not just lockdown. You'll be able to complete work and edit the worksheets without having to access a T drive. And also, even if you haven't got Word on your computers, it can do it all in the browser. So you're going to go and click on the work here. And this will be replaced in the future by assessments or a little assignments that you can fill out. And you go up onto the right hand side and click edit document. You could edit in desktop app if you've got Word installed, but I would prefer for this one just to edit in browser. It'll change it to editing. You've got all the usual editing facilities here that you'd see in Word. All I want you to do is put in your name, let you know one thing that you did over Easter. Okay, I'll go back. Eat lots, and then do you find it easy? Really easy. So if you've got any problems, just stick it there. This is just really for me to see how you're getting on with it. Once you've done that, okay, you're going to click on close, okay, and you will see that it's automatically saved up here. You're going to click on close, and the important thing is that you need to turn the work in. You can go back and re-edit it, so I can go back in there, re-edit it if I want to, and when I'm happy that it's finished, I can turn it in. Okay, turn it in, come up with some graphics there. It'll tell you when it's being turned in. Okay, and that's it. If you suddenly think that you've got some work to do, you can undo the turn in. You can come back to it. All right, and then if you come back to your back in here, go on to test classes, go on to assignments. Okay, you can see that you've got none assigned because you've already completed it, and then you can see here for you. Okay, so there's a work, and once your teachers marked it, they'll be able to give some feedback, and you'll be able to see some feedback on here. It will allow you to then redo stuff, re-add bits and pieces, and return it in if you wanted to. So I hope that helps. Any problems, drop me an email. Thank you.